GoPro 9, finally GoPro 9, GoPro 9. Hello, hi, what's up people? I hope everyone is doing good. I was thinking of buying one GoPro or add one more GoPro to my vlogging. And what is that? Then I thought of 8 like a color. I was thinking of buying 8, but in the end, after considering so many action cameras, I end up buying GoPro 9 because it has a bigger battery, because it has LCD display, it has many other features which I don't have in this GoPro 8. So without any wait, let's open this. And I'm really excited. Items, there are few accessories inside also. So let's do this, guys. Let's go. So let's start unboxing, guys. Take the whole see. There's some struggle in taking out because they pack it really well. Ha ha ha. Nice. Let's see what's there. Oh. Looks like the whole bunch of this is combi. Guys, if you want to do moto vlogging, this is my combi set. I'm not sure everything what a GoPro 9 needs. First, combi charger then extra battery. We keep it there. Next one is Ulanzi case. Ulanzi, this is a case especially for GoPro 9. Keep it here. Again, Ulanzi mini extension. This is for vlogging. This is my mic for vlogging. This looks like a mount for the motorcycle. And here comes the main. So it comes with 1 year warranty. So overall, these are the things when you need to buy when you think of doing a motor vlogging, or when you think of becoming a motor vlogging, right? At least see the color. So let's try to unbox one by one of all of these. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, let's keep this aside. We'll open this later. First, let's open the main. It's GoPro 9. Yay! GoPro 9, finally GoPro 9. GoPro 9. This sihan hanggo sikta. Warranty card. It comes with warranty card. Let's keep it here. The most interesting part, it says official product India ki official ne hai, and si Bhiwani country origin budi China ne, but Bhiwani dege ne moi toris Mumbai dege. So let's go. Sina kai hang ba maning dege. Hai flop sala. Ba kon sar la hong ta uni yaade. Hey, Lawi, hey. See how go. I think it comes with a case. Nice. Case. So see GoPro 9 ki case hi nga. Looks good, man. Oh, looks so good. Oh, this is subscribe to GoPro. Yeah, we'll do that. Paperwork sometime again. Cable, charger and all. Again, some extra battery. Then let's go to the main. It's quite big, much bigger than GoPro 8. Wow, looks good. Oi, let's take this out. Very sticky. Okay, you can take it out from here, right? नहीं खुलता है क्या भैया? Okay, forget it, man. We'll just cut it. Nice. So it looks very similar, with the design is very similar, but it's much bigger. But there's a display which is supposed to be LCD. So let's see this also. It looks similar, but it looks bigger and more bigger. So this is the place where, oh nice, the battery is gonna insert. So this is the battery, it came with it. So let's try to put this inside and let's check it. Yang kasi ko ma'am. Lovely. Ding ding. GoPro. Okay. Okay, English. Legal stuff. Agree on. Leave your camera on the full app instruction. Install a GoPro app. Okay, install a GoPro app on your phone. Finish. I will do that later. The thing which I was telling you guys was this thing in the front. This LCD is where we can do vlogging with this also. This is what I was looking for, and very interesting. Nice. So when I open my app, it says your GoPro is already there. So this is my for connected to my 8. So for 9, I think I have to add one more GoPro. Searching for camera, this one is there. So okay, we found Hero9 is there. Hero9 ka. Hero9, let's connect. Pair. Oh, I like this display in the front, man. This is really good. Oh, and it opens with no SD card. Battery is really low, so I am going to this one needs to be updated. Update the bigger se ko. It's better to update it. So it's always better to update your I am named my GoPro, this GoPro, as Devson The Explorer Pro 9. Okay, so it's good. I'm gonna update it and I'll see you after update. So I'm charging it, and let's put a memory card inside. Okay, so memory card is there, it's charging, and this time usually in GoPro 8 it just comes out like that. So so it's good that it doesn't fall off after some time, but I don't know, there must be something which we can take it out, because if we use this case on this, I think we have to take this off, but let's see. So guys, this is on the charging, so everything's all good. I put the memory card and the battery is charging, so I won't be able to do anything. For these, later on I'll put it in some other vlog. Okay guys, this is it guys. This was my unboxing of Hero9, GoPro Hero9 basically, and which you have seen it, like it comes with LCD in front, bigger battery, bigger size, and it's much heavier than before. So I'm really happy with whatever I got. So I put the memory card also. So right now I won't be able to do anything because the battery is very low. So I'll keep it for a while, I'll charge it. So for now, I think let's end the vlog, and I hope you like the vlog and short unboxing of my GoPro 9, my latest addition to my moto vlogging. So this is it guys, Devson The Explorer signing off. Bye bye, take care, and see you in the next vlog.